Once you take a big bite, you'll definitely love this beef. Hi, today we're making red braised beef ribs. I got these beef ribs from Costco. The marbling makes them tender and flavorful. First, put them into a large pot. Pour in plenty of water. Bring to a boil over high heat to remove the blood and impurities. Then rinse the ribs clean and set aside. Now let's make our secret sauce. Add chuho sauce, sweet bean sauce, oyster sauce, and light soy sauce. Brown sugar to balance sweetness, black pepper for aroma and richness. Mix everything together. Trust me, this sauce will make the beef taste incredible. Take 3 cloves of garlic and slice them thinly. Have a red onion, slice it first, then dice it. Now grab a big deep pot, add a little oil, saute the onion and garlic first, cook them until slightly golden brown. Spread the onion evenly across the bottom, then place the ribs on top, pour in all the sauce, then hot water, just enough to submerge the meat. Cover with a lid and slowly simmer for 2 hours. Time makes the ribs tender and soak up all the flavors. 2 hours later, the sauce is thick and glossy, and the color is deep and rich. Let me take the first bite. Wow! It is so good! The beef is super tender, rich, and flavorful. It's fully infused with the sauce and almost falling off the bone. Once you try it, you'll fall in love with it forever. Please give a thumbs up if you liked it, and comment. See you next time.